Okay, so you want to learn the trick that this guy from the band called BTS did. I know he's not from BTS. I just want the comments. So the trick is called the charge, and he's just doing it a couple of times. So he's just not stopping here, doing a couple of charges. And he's actually using, I believe, a regular pencil, which is fine. But for demonstrational purposes, this is easier to explain. So the way to do the charge is, first you're going to learn on how to do the seesaw motion. That's not hard. After you learn how to control that, you just need to add the circular motion to it, which I know how to do, but for you might be a little bit complicated. So you are going to start from here and kind of push with your ring finger, and then when you release from the thumb, you're going to get this momentum, and that momentum creates the circular motion. And when you add the seesaw motion to the circular motion, then you get the charge. This is also called the drummer's trick. Like a lot of drummers, you can see them kind of do this with their drumsticks. You can do it with pretty much anything you want. Any stick you find on the ground, for example, you can do the charge. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.